So if you've seen any of my sugar waxing videos, then you know how important I think aftercare is. So I made a soothing balm that you can use afterwards, but it has some other good uses too. Now the first thing that you're gonna need whenever you're working with butters and waxes is a double boiler. However, if you don't have one, then what you can do is just use a small bowl or container at the bottom of your pot and then set your larger bowl over top. Just keep in mind, you definitely need a bigger bowl, which I recommend metal or glass. For ingredients, I'm first starting off with candelilla wax. You can also use beeswax, but if you want to keep it vegan, then you just want to stick to this ingredient, or you can also even use shea butter. This is what's going to make this actually a balm texture. So if you just want to use an oil, you can actually skip it. And for the main ingredient, I'm going to use an infused oil. This is an almond oil, and I infused it with chamomile. This is just what I had on hand, but I actually really recommend that you guys try dried arnica flowers because arnica is excellent for pain and swelling, especially with bruising. So it will help heal those things faster. And to infuse the oil, all I did was take a glass container and then put it into a sunny windowsill for about 3 to 4 weeks. You can actually already buy arnica oil, which is usually infused in olive oil. So yes, you can use a different carrier oil as your main ingredient. Also to that mixture, I'm going to add some essential oils. So I decided to use sandalwood and I used even more chamomile. Another great one to use is tea tree oil, which I feel like a lot of people usually have in their cabinet because it's also great for acne. So tea tree can be quite strong. So if any of you guys really love the benefit but don't like the smell, a great alternative is neem oil. I mean, there's a ton of different essential oils that have excellent properties, so you guys can do your own research and add whatever you want. Just look below this video for the full recipe. Those ingredients went into the double boiler until everything melted down, and then at the very end I added the essential oils, gave it a quick stir with like a chopstick, and then poured it into my container to cool. You want to let this completely solidify, which you can speed up that process by popping it in the fridge. So that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please do give it a thumbs up because it really lets me know what you guys want to see more of. If you guys are looking for the wax application video, then that is actually going to be coming next week. So make sure that you turn on post notifications, subscribe if you're not already, and make sure that you share this video with a friend or someone you think can use it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.